Now, ladies and gentlemen, may I please request Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji to kindly unveil the plaque of the inauguration, the launch of Safran's LEAP engine MRO facility. Sir, please to press the remote button for the same. हम सबको बहुत बहुत बधाई, congratulations, एक नया अध्याय, a new partnership to greater heights. And now we have for you a short film that showcases Safran's contribution towards even more fueling the growth of India's aviation sector.
Who doesn't want to fly? Every dreamer longs to touch the sky. And what does it take to fly? Skill, innovation, determination, and above all, a clear, unwavering vision. All things that today's India embodies with confidence. India is now the world's fastest growing major economy. Aviation stands among its fastest growing sectors.
भारत की जो फास्टेस्ट ग्रोइंग इकोनॉमी बनी है, उन सभी सेक्टर में से एक हमारा एविएशन सेक्टर भी है। भविष्य का भारत एयर कनेक्टिविटी के मामले में दुनिया के सबसे कनेक्टेड रीजन में से एक होने वाला है।
In just over a decade, India's airport network more than doubled, and the country has emerged as the world's third largest domestic aviation market. And the strength behind these ambitions is the partnership India has built with global leaders like Safran. In the last decade of transformation, Make in India has deepened confidence and prepared a generation ready for the future. And it is into this moment that Safran's new facility arrives as a powerful extension of India's progress. Welcome to the world's largest LEAP engine maintenance, repair and overhaul facility right here in Hyderabad. With an investment of over 2,000 crore rupees, it brings critical LEAP engine expertise to India, strengthening self-reliance. The 45,000 square meter center, designed to service nearly 300 engines a year and will create more than 1,100 high-skilled jobs. For more than 70 years, Safran has been woven into India's growth in aviation, defense and space. From producing components of LEAP and CFM56 engines to powering India's frontline capability with M88 engines that propel the Rafale. From co-developing over 710 Shakti Ardhadan helicopter engines and advanced navigation systems that guide over 500 Indian fighter aircrafts to supporting ISRO, this partnership is spread across 18 sites and nearly 3,000 skilled professionals. Today, as Safran and India begin their most ambitious chapter yet, a new horizon opens for the country and for the world. India and Safran together, building the future of flight.
Together, building the future of flight. बहुत